मेज पर एक किताब है। There is a book on the table. There is a book on the table. टोकरी में 5 सेब है। There are 5 apples in the basket. There are 5 apples in the basket. बोतल में दूध नहीं है। There isn't milk in the bottle. There isn't milk in the bottle. कक्षा में ज़्यादा छात्र नहीं है। There aren't many students in the class. There aren't many students in the class. क्या तुम्हारे बैग में एक पेन है? Is there a pen in your bag? Is there a pen in your bag? क्या मेरे लिए कोई संदेश है? Are there any messages for me? Are there any messages for me? कुर्सी के नीचे एक बिल्ली है। There is a cat under the chair. There is a cat under the chair. डिब्बे में कुछ खिलौने हैं। There are some toys in the box. There are some toys in the box. बाथरूम में तौलिया नहीं है। There isn't a towel in the bathroom. There isn't a towel in the bathroom. मेज पर कोई प्लेटें नहीं हैं। There aren't any plates on the table. There aren't any plates on the table. कंप्यूटर में एक समस्या है। There is a problem with the computer. There is a problem with the computer. पेड़ पर चिड़ियाँ हैं। There are birds in the tree. There are birds in the tree. क्या तुम्हारे घर के पास कोई अस्पताल है? Is there a hospital near your house? Is there a hospital near your house? क्या कोई सवाल है? Are there any questions? Are there any questions? घर में बिजली नहीं है। There is no electricity in the house. There is no electricity in the house. पार्टी में बहुत ज़्यादा लोग हैं। There are too many people at the party. There are too many people at the party. तुम्हारे लिए एक फ़ोन कॉल है। There is a phone call for you. There is a phone call for you. उस शेल्फ पर कई किताबें हैं। There are several books on that shelf. There are several books on that shelf. तुम्हारे निबंध में एक भी गलती नहीं है। There isn't a single mistake in your essay. There isn't a single mistake in your essay. कोई कुकीज़ नहीं बची है। There aren't any cookies left. There aren't any cookies left. बैग में कुछ है। There is something in the bag. There is something in the bag. मेरी जेब में 2 पेन है। There are 2 pens in my pocket. There are 2 pens in my pocket. दीवार पर एक मकड़ी है। There is a spider on the wall. There is a spider on the wall. फाइल में कुछ ज़रूरी नोट्स हैं। There are some important notes in the file. There are some important notes in the file. क्या कमरे में एक घड़ी है? Is there a clock in the room? Is there a clock in the room? क्या दराज में कोई पेंसिल है? Are there any pencils in the drawer? Are there any pencils in the drawer? समय बर्बाद करने के लिए नहीं है। There is no time to waste. There is no time to waste. इस कमरे में 3 खिड़कियां हैं। There are 3 windows in this room. There are 3 windows in this room. रात 10 बजे के बाद कोई बसें नहीं होती। There are no buses after 10 p.m. There are no buses after 10 p.m. जग में पानी है। There is water in the jug. There is water in the jug. बगीचे में फूल हैं। There are flowers in the garden. There are flowers in the garden. चाय में चीनी नहीं है। There isn't any sugar in the tea. There isn't any sugar in the tea. पर्याप्त कुर्सियाँ नहीं है। There aren't enough chairs. There aren't enough chairs. क्या दिल्ली के लिए ट्रेन है? Is there a train to Delhi? Is there a train to Delhi? क्या सबके लिए पर्याप्त चम्मच है? Are there enough spoons for everyone? Are there enough spoons for everyone? तुम्हारी शर्ट में छेद है। There is a hole in your shirt. There is a hole in your shirt. फर्श पर चींटियाँ हैं। There are ants on the floor. There are ants on the floor. कार में ईंधन नहीं है। There is no fuel in the car. There is no fuel in the car. बिस्तर पर कुछ कपड़े हैं। There are some clothes on the bed. There are some clothes on the bed. टोकरी में एक केला है। There is one banana in the basket. There is one banana in the basket. दो लड़कियां बाहर इंतजार कर रही है। There are two girls waiting outside. There are two girls waiting outside. इस कमरे में पंखा नहीं है। There isn't a fan in this room. There isn't a fan in this room. कोई लाइट चालू नहीं है। There aren't any lights on. There aren't any lights on. क्या घर पर कोई है? Is there anyone at home? Is there anyone at home? क्या कोई बच्चे खेल रहे हैं? Are there any children playing? Are there any children playing? घबराने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है। There is no need to panic. There is no need to panic. आसमान में बादल है। There are clouds in the sky. There are clouds in the sky. पास में एक सुंदर पार्क है। There is a beautiful park nearby. There is a beautiful park nearby. मेज़ के नीचे जूते हैं। There are shoes under the table. There are shoes under the table. स्क्रीन पर एक संदेश है। There is a message on the screen. There is a message on the screen. हर जगह किताबें हैं। There are books everywhere. There are books everywhere. कमरे में आईना नहीं है। There isn't a mirror in the room. There isn't a mirror in the room. यहाँ कोई तौलिया नहीं है। There aren't any towels here. There aren't any towels here. क्या मेरे लिए कुछ है? Is there anything for me? Is there anything for me? क्या नए अपडेट है? Are there new updates? Are there new updates? एक गाना है जो मैं बजाना चाहता हूँ। There is a song I want to play. There is a song I want to play. फ्रीज में अंडे हैं। There are eggs in the freeze. There are free eggs in the freeze. एक पक्षी गा रहा है। There is a bird singing. There is a bird singing. कमरे में कीड़े हैं। There are insects in the room. There are insects in the room. यहाँ कोई नहीं है. There is no one here. There is no one here. प्लेट में संतरे हैं. There are oranges on the plate. There are oranges on the plate. हमेशा एक रास्ता होता है. There is always a way. There is always a way. आसमान में तारे हैं. There are stars in the sky. There are stars in the sky. तुम्हारे लिए एक सरप्राइज है. There is a surprise for you. There is a surprise for you. अभी तक कोई उत्तर नहीं है. There are no answers yet. There are no answers yet. मेरे बैग में एक नोटबुक है. There is a notebook in my bag. There is a notebook in my bag. पेड़ के नीचे उपहार है. There are gifts under the tree. There are gifts under the tree. लिफाफे में कुछ भी नहीं है. There isn't anything in the envelope. There isn't anything in the envelope. यहाँ ज़्यादा दुकानें नहीं हैं. There aren't many shops here. There aren't many shops here. क्या हमारे जीतने की संभावना है? Is there a chance we will win? Is there a chance we will win? क्या यहाँ कोई कंबल है? Are there any blankets here? Are there any blankets here? पाइप में रिसाव है. There is a leak in the pipe. There is a leak in the pipe. चारों ओर खिलौने हैं. There are toys all around. There are toys all around. बाहर अजीब सी आवाज़ है. There is a strange sound outside. There is a strange sound outside. बहुत सारे विकल्प हैं. There are plenty of options. There are plenty of options. कमरे में कोई रोशनी नहीं है. There isn't any light in the room. There isn't any light in the room. ज़्यादा विकल्प नहीं बचे हैं. There aren't many choices left. There aren't many choices left. क्या फर्श पर पेन है? Is there a pen on the floor? Is there a pen on the floor? क्या हॉल में लोग हैं? Are there people in the hall? Are there people in the hall? आंगन में एक बड़ा पेड़ है. There is a big tree in the yard. There is a big tree in the yard. दीवार पर पोस्टर है. There are posters on the wall. There are posters on the wall. कोई ठंडा पानी नहीं है. There isn't any cold water. There isn't any cold water. आज ज़्यादा बसें नहीं हैं. There aren't many buses today. There aren't many buses today. क्या कमरे में जगह है? Is there any space in the room? Is there any space in the room? क्या जार में मिठाइयाँ हैं? Are there sweets in the jar? Are there sweets in the jar? मेज़ पर एक चाबी है. There is a key on the table. There is a key on the table. हर जगह कागज़ बिखरे हुए हैं. There are papers scattered everywhere. There are papers scattered everywhere. बाहर कोई नहीं है. There is nobody outside. There is nobody outside. ज़मीन पर पत्ते हैं. There are leaves on the ground. There are leaves on the ground. शेल्फ पर कुछ धूल है. There is some dust on the shelf. There is some dust on the shelf. लाइन पर कपड़े टंगे हैं। There are clothes hanging on the line. There are clothes hanging on the line. खाने को कुछ नहीं है। There isn't anything to eat. There isn't anything to eat. पर्याप्त नैपकिन नहीं है। There aren't enough napkins. There aren't enough napkins. क्या बोतल में तेल है? Is there oil in the bottle? Is there oil in the bottle? क्या फ्रिज में आम है? Are there mangoes in the fridge? Are there mangoes in the fridge? अगले हफ्ते त्योहार है। There is a festival next week. There is a festival next week. बैठक में मेहमान है। There are guests in the living room. There are guests in the living room. यहाँ कोई नेटवर्क नहीं है। There is no signal here. There is no signal here. केक पर मोमबत्तियाँ हैं। There are candles on the cake. There are candles on the cake.